Hello and welcome to the Fabrico.Design channel. We develop professional sewing patterns and make them available to every woman. Using our patterns and video instructions, you can easily sew any garment at home and feel like a designer.
Today we are cutting and sewing the Begonia dress. The dress has a semi-fitted silhouette with a V neckline and a waist seam. The upper front features a cut-on waistband that ties at the back. The lower part has a wrap design. The dress has set-in long sleeves. For sewing, we will need the patterns, viscose knit as the main fabric, an additional fabric for the bias binding. We used lining fabric, matching threads. We chose a slightly lighter shade to make the seams more visible. Bias cut fusible tape, interfacing tape, stretch needles size 75, a stretch twin needle, and sewing accessories. The patterns for this model can be found on our website. Let's start cutting. Be sure to dedicate the fabric to prevent shrinkage during sewing and follow the grain line direction as indicated on the patterns. Transfer all control points. Our patterns already include seam allowances. After cutting, be sure to check the number of parts according to the pattern specifications. From the main fabric, we should have 2 upper front pieces, 2 lower front pieces, 1 back piece with a fold, 2 waistband pieces, and 2 sleeve pieces. From the additional fabric, we should have 1 neckline band. Note that we reinforce the seam allowances for the back piece and the lower front pieces. For the main fabric, we used viscose knit. Knit fabrics with high elasticity, jersey, and medium weight rib knit are also good options. You can never have too many dresses, especially when the cut is this unique. Place the cut waistband on top of the cut-on waistband of the upper front piece, aligning the short edges right sides together, and stitch with an overlocker. Press the seam allowances toward the waistband. Insert the waistband at its base, right sides together, and stitch along the entire length. Match the notch with the corner and stitch. Stitch, turn right side out. straighten the corner, and press. Clip at the waistband base on both sides. And this is how the waistband should look. Place the front pieces onto the back piece, right sides together, and stitch the shoulder seams. Press the seam allowances toward the back. Press the neckline band in half lengthwise with the wrong side inside. Then place the neckline band right sides together with the neckline edge of the dress, align the edges, and stitch at 0.5 centimeters. Align all control points. Stitch at 0.5 centimeters. Fold the neckline band to the wrong side and press, forming an edging from the main fabric. Top stitch along the entire neckline at 0.1 centimeter from the edge of the neckline band. You can pin it for convenience, then top stitch. Press. Place the upper front pieces right sides together along the center seam and sew. Press the seam allowances. Hide the overlock thread tails in the seam. Press. Attach the sleeve into the open armhole. To do this, match the sleeve cap with the dress armhole, right sides together, and sew. Align all control points. Press the seam allowances toward the garment. Press and overlock the vertical seam allowances of the lower front pieces. Then top stitch along the seam edge, using a twin needle if desired. Place the right lower front piece with the wrong side on top of the left front piece and secure them together at the waistline, aligning the notches. Stitch. Place the lower front pieces onto the upper front pieces, right sides together, and stitch. Press the seam allowances upward. Stitch. Front view. Back view. Press the seam allowances upward. Fold the dress inside out and sew the sleeve and side seam in one continuous stitch. Press the seam allowances toward the back. Stitch, then press the seam allowances toward the back. Next, press the sleeve and dress hem along the notches, overlock the raw edge, and stitch with a twin needle or a cover stitch machine. Finally, press. Press the sleeves, hem, and overall dress for a finished look. The begonia dress is ready.
Thanks for sewing with us. Subscribe to our channel and publish your photos in different social medias and tag us. You can find the link to our website in the description box below the video.